So I am now here. I just came from school, and yeah. So I want to show you not my bed, but so I have actually this for the bed, for the pillow, and here. So USA. So yeah, this is USA, and I am also here with my garden. Oh wait, it's so yummy. Garden double stuff. Yes. So when you open it here, it's then here is the Oreo. It's the Oreo, but they're a little bit double. So yes, we have actually also the name garden double stuff. Yeah, it's actually very cool. Right. So, also you must play basketball because I can see you. Okay. Yes, you must play basketball because I can see you dunking me. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm just a little sick. Yes, we can see also any yeah. No, just kidding. This was the Oreo. I just taste. Looks delicious. You can see this. YouTube is my voice, life and heart. But this is a little bit me. Well, it doesn't exist FTTV. This is also Germany. Yeah, I think they doesn't know it. So I just take a little bit. Oh my gosh, that's so yummy, this golden Oreo. So here is my plastoline, and you can see this. And I want to say also make very soon a new video, I think 5 minutes actually. Just make a draw video how to draw a Skylander. But I don't know what Skylander. Yes. So yeah, so I just saw something. I think I just I don't know, but you will see it in the next video. Peace out, guys, everyone. Yes, we see us very soon. Peace out.